Well, a great good morning to all. Here we are. This is August the 21st, and got a wonderful little item here that I think is going to be very nice to use. It's an egg poacher that I got from Amazon. Looks to be fairly straightforward. All you have to do is, first off, try to crack an egg with one hand. Well, that worked. And then, before you pour the egg in, you have to fill the container halfway up. If you want to make 2 eggs, that is. It's halfway. And halfway. And then we are supposed to, it's kind of hard filming and doing this all one-handed, but we'll make it. You see these chefs on these videos all the time doing this in about a second. There it is. And then we'll crack another egg here. Alrighty, that one worked a little bit better. And then, of course, put the top on. And that has some guides on it, and so you won't get any splatters, hopefully. Let's put it in the microwave. And here we go. This is the first time I've used this, so I don't know how many minutes or fractions of a minute it's going to take. So I'm going to start at, just to be safe, I'm going to do 45 seconds. If I hear it starting to blow up, I'll have to stop it. Round and round we go. Post eggs on the go. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Let's see what that does. It probably won't be done. Well, I don't know. I like them running. I think they're going to be just fine for me. And we come back over. Let's grab a plate out of here. And then all you have to do is lift them by the handles up out of the water. Now that's going to need some more. Let's see, the white is not done.